ready to feast, but your Uber Eats promo code is playing hide and seek. Don't worry, we're diving into how to fix that. First, let's double check that code. Open your Uber Eats app and tap account at the bottom right corner now. Select wallet, then scroll down to promotions. Ensure the code is entered exactly as it appears. Paying close attention to capitalization and numbers. A tiny typo can be a total buzzkill. Next, read the fine print. Tap on the promo you're trying to use. Check the expiration date, eligible items, and geographic restrictions. Some promos are only valid for specific restaurants or within certain areas. Make sure your order meets all the criteria. Now, let's confirm eligibility. Is your order total above the minimum spend required by the promotion? Are you ordering from a restaurant that accepts the promo? These are common gotchas. Add more food or switch restaurants if needed. Still no luck? Time to call in the cavalry. Head back to the account section. Scroll down and tap help, then tap order issues and delivery, and finally problems with a promo. Explain your situation to Uber Eats support. They can usually apply the discount manually or offer a workaround. And that's it. With a little troubleshooting, you should be enjoying your discounted meal in no time. Happy eating!